What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you a quick video of how I achieve the illusion of having bigger and longer hair. So if you guys are interested, let me just jump straight into this for y'all. I'm going to be starting out with wet hair, as you can see, and the first thing I recommend to you is using like these scrunchies. Ponytail holders, regular elastic ponytail holders work just as well, but I just feel like the scrunchies, I don't know, I'm biased. But the first thing I'm going to recommend for you guys is pulling your hair back like this as it air dries. For me personally, I would never do this because my hair takes a million years to dry, but that's the first recommendation I have for you. The second thing is to just dry your hair like you normally would. So me personally, I like to diffuse my hair. So I scrunched out my hair with the microfiber and now I'm just diffusing my hair. Just a little disclaimer, this is not something that I do every time I dry my hair, but I feel like the drying process is just as important as like the styling process. If you're going crazy and just letting your hair do whatever while it's trying to dry, then I mean you're just not going to get really good results. Since I know I'm going to be using the blow dryer at really high speeds, I'm really just drying my hair in a calm manner right now. I'm using cold air, and as you can see, this is how I diffuse my hair. I really try to avoid scrunching my hair up. I kind of just press the diffuser into my hair, and this is what I would recommend for anyone who has a similar curl pattern to mine. I really don't know how to explain why or how this works, but whenever I take an oil, I'm using grapeseed oil, by the way, and I run it through my hands and I run my hands through my hair and I press my hair downwards like this. It really does just stretch out my hair, and of course it gets rid of any gel cast, but the main reason why I do this is to stretch out my hair. Like literally I get almost all my inches back. These are the steps that I do almost every time, and so after that, after my hair is somewhat elongated again, I will go back in with my blow dryer on warm air and I will finish drying my hair, and then I will pull my hair at certain spots to create a sense of like tension basically, and so that's what causes everything to even out and the length looks really good in the end result. After your hair is dried like you would normally dry your hair, I'd recommend just like putting a little bit more oil on your fingertips and then kind of basically doing the exact same thing that I did before, and then kind of shake out your roots, pick out your roots, do whatever. Quick note, I would not, if you're big on like definition, having super defined hair, I would not recommend anything I'm doing in this video for you. This is just because I don't care about definition, y'all. I like really big and crazy hair. So that's a little disclaimer. But the next thing I'm doing is I'm taking a blow dry on hot air. Yes, I'm using hot air. I'll be very careful with this. Do not do this consistently because over time it will damage your hair. But basically just apply tension to your hair and you just use the blow dryer to stretch out certain parts of your hair. Let me know if you found this video helpful. I know it's kind of hard to tell if my hair really is that much bigger, but if you're used to watching my hair routines, my hair is drastically bigger for first day hair than other videos basically. But yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I will see y'all in my next video. That rhymed. Talk to me, baby.